What if the biggest threat to your marriage isn't another woman, but selfishness inside the home? If selfishness goes unchecked, the marriage loses intimacy, respect, and trust, while no one truly wins. It doesn't happen overnight. It grows quietly through entitlement, silence, and unmet expectations. But here's the twist. Many wives don't realize they're hurting their husbands because culture taught them to call it self-care. 1. Putting needs in proper order. A marriage cannot thrive when one person's needs always come first. A wise wife learns that love grows when both partners are considered. When you pause to ask, "How will this affect my husband?" you begin practicing real love. Kindness starts with awareness. Selflessness creates safety, and safety strengthens intimacy. 2. Choosing partnership over privilege. Marriage is not a stage where one spouse performs and the other applauds. A good wife understands that leadership and support are shared responsibilities. When you contribute instead of consume, respect naturally grows. Husbands feel valued when effort is mutual. Partnership turns duty into delight. 3. Offering love without conditions. Affection should not be a reward system. When love is given only after demands are met, it becomes manipulation. A gentle wife chooses to love even when emotions fluctuate. Consistent kindness builds emotional security. A husband who feels loved is more willing to love back. 4. Embracing accountability with humility. Correction is not an attack. It is an invitation to grow. A selfish heart resists responsibility, but a wise heart welcomes truth. When you admit fault, you model maturity and strength. Humility softens tension and opens doors to healing. Accountability transforms conflict into connection. 5. Practicing gratitude. Daily, gratitude changes the atmosphere of a home. When a wife notices effort instead of focusing on flaws, encouragement replaces criticism. Small words of appreciation have big impact. A thankful spirit makes a husband feel seen and respected. Kindness grows where gratitude lives. 6. Honoring commitment beyond feelings. Feelings rise and fall, but commitment holds steady. A wise wife understands that marriage is sustained by choices, not moods. When emotions guide every decision, instability follows. Choosing faithfulness over impulse builds trust. Love deepens when vows are honored daily. 7. Communicating. Instead of controlling silence, withdrawal, and emotional pressure damage trust. Healthy wives speak honestly rather than punish quietly. Communication invites understanding, while control creates distance. Kind words disarm tension. When you speak with grace, your husband feels safe to open his heart. 8. Accepting sacrifice as part of love. Every strong marriage requires inconvenience at times. Growth often comes through patience and self-denial. A selfish mindset avoids discomfort, but love leans in. When a wife chooses sacrifice, she reflects true care. Serving one another strengthens the bond. 9. Developing empathy for his struggles. A husband's burdens matter, even when they differ from your own. Empathy listens without dismissing or competing. When you acknowledge his stress, effort, or pain, you offer emotional refuge. Understanding builds unity. Kindness begins when you care about what weighs on him. 10. Redefining self-care with balance. Self-care is healthy, but self-centeredness harms marriage. A wise wife balances personal needs with shared responsibility. Boundaries should protect love, not isolate it. True strength is knowing when to give. When care flows both ways, marriage flourishes.